What up, YouTube? Got some parts in the mail. Let me show them to you here. We're gonna hook up this this Honda. Let me show you what we got. So we got the clip-ons, new handlebars, and then here we got our new brake and our new clutch lever. So we're gonna put these on while we lower the vehicle. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is the height of the bike that we're starting with. I'll show you what the height is when we're done. We'll compare it to this view. So I'm heating up this nut. It's stuck on there so hard. Try to expand it a little bit. And I sprayed it with WD-40. Starting to see little bubbles come out where the threads are. That's good. Oh, it is on there. Well, I'm gonna have to use a lot more heat. There we go. There we go. Heat WD-40. Okay. There we go. Now we need to find the right size millimeter. It looks like a 6 to me, maybe. Yep, a 6. We need to loosen these up. There's one. Okay, there's 2. Make sure they're loose. Let's spray a little bit of WD-40 on here. Just who knows how long this has been on here. Let's see if we got any movement. Yep, here we go. Not too bad at all. There we go, we'll clean this up. Okay, if you see right there, you see how rusted and pitted it is. After we lower it, we'll clean all this rust off it. It's on both sides. This thing was sitting for a while. Okay, right here on the bottom triple tree, there's an 8mm right here. Remember the top was a 6. So we need to loosen this up if we can. I'm gonna have to grab a tool to do it. Wow. There we go. Loosen that one up. You can tell this is what's holding most of the weight. It's 8mm. Okay, get it loose. And we're going down low with this thing. Pretty much we're going to be almost touching the radiator. Okay, I'm going to loosen this side. Alright. Okay, we're loose now. Now I'm just gonna start lowering it. Let me give you a better view of what's happening. I've already lowered it a good 1/4 of an inch. About a 1/2 inch. See, it's lowering it. We got a long way to go though. A little bit of lube, a little bit of WD-40 on there. Just keep going. There's about 1 inch. Got more to go. The rust coming out of there. Okay, I'm still clearing. That's good. Okay. I'll come back after I fine tune that leveling. Okay, there we are compared to before. I feel like that's pretty good. I feel like this is gonna be the best height for the front when we do the back. So let's tighten it down. Let's put the handlebars on, and let's put the levers on. Okay, let's tighten down these 8mm. Doesn't need to be crazy. You seen how hard they were on there. I feel that. That feels good. All right, tighten this one down. All right, that's locked in. We're gonna have to clean all the rust. We're gonna have to clean all the rust off these. So let's do that now before we put the bars on. Okay, so what I'm using is WD-40 penetrant. This is for rust. And some steel wool. A little bit of water on there. Not water, a little bit of WD-40. Look, that's already coming off right there. So there's just a little bit of WD-40 on there. And just clean off that rust. A lot easier to get it off now. I can feel all the little pits. We'll try to get it as good as we can though. A lot of little pits, but it's getting cleaner. Okay, I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, here's one. And here's the other one I gotta do. So you can see how bad they are. But a lot better. So I'll come back when I'm done with that one, and we'll put the clip-ons on. Okay, first one. Slide it down. There's one. Let's put this one on. Alright, there's two. Put the brake lever on. And slide it up. Loosely tighten it for now, because we're going to have a lot of adjusting to do once we get the rest of the stuff on. There's one. Now let's do this clutch lever. Get it in a nice position and we'll just tighten it down. Nice and loose. Okay, there's the clutch lever. Okay, we got the levers on. Loosely tighten it. Okay, next, gonna put the triple tree back on. Okay, now we gotta slide these triple trees on. Just slowly go. Just like we did when we were lowering it. Okay, you hear that sound changed? We're seated now. First, we're going to take our washer. Then our nut. Now we tighten it down. Last time it was crazy tight. It doesn't need to be crazy tight. It just needs to be tight. There we go. Okay, that's back on. We got our handlebars. We'll adjust these once we put the tank back on. But we're on. That's what you gotta do. I'm gonna tighten these down, these 6mm. On both sides. And we'll do this side. Tighten this one down. Okay. It's on. Now we just put this cap back. Snaps in there. And there she is lowered. There she is, much lower. Stick with us.